Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart your device. So I will quickly show you a soft reset operation, which is quite easy, and it is useful if you just want to power off and then power on your device again. All you have to do is to press the power button and the volume up button together once, and then drag this ball to this restart option, release the finger, and your device will be automatically powered on and powered off again. And that's a great operation if your screen is working perfectly fine. But if for some reason your device stopped working properly, like it doesn't respond to your touches, you cannot enter something, or there's a mistouch, whatever, you can try to force restart it just by using those keys. So again, the same combination, the power button and volume up button together, but now we have to hold it for a little longer until we'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing them. We have to wait until the black screen. So keep pressing. It should take approximately 10 seconds. Something like that. So be patient. Alright, we've got a black screen, but keep pressing. Now we felt the vibration. I mean, I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully forcefully actually restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.